Brady, what are you doing? What did you find? Brady, Brady, what did you find? Did you find the tissue box? Are they for your runny nose? Brady, hi. What are you doing? Brady, look at Mommy. Brady. What are you doing? Are you making a mess? Do you have a runny nose? Brady, say bye-bye. You say bye-bye?